All right, I'm back here today to hopefully work on this Hydrostream. I know I keep saying I'm going to take out the whole core at one shot, but I mean, it just keeps happening that I can't do it. So I finally got an angle grinder to hopefully help me speed up the process. So realistically, I probably won't do everything in one video, or maybe I'll make a couple videos and put it into one. I don't know, we'll see, but let's get to it. All right, so we're back on the boat. Finally got the cover off. Just a little update on the boat. Got most of the stringer off. Just got that little piece left, and somebody told me to get an angle grinder, so I did. So hopefully this bad boy speeds up my process. So let's see how that goes and taking off that little section. Hopefully it's a little quicker. But yeah, we shall see. She works. She's a little dusty. What do you know? Look at that. Easy peasy. Alright. On to the next, I guess. Alright, honestly, I think this is going to work best for the stringer right there. You can't really get the angle dangle of the angle grinder, so a little switcheroo. Alright, I actually seemed to fly through that. I know it wasn't a lot, but at least it was easy. Now I'll try and angle grind some of this subfloor out, see how easy that is. Alright, you should be able to see pretty good. Hopefully I don't go through the hull with this thing. Let's get to it. Alright, got ourselves a nice little cut right there. Now if I chisel that away, it should come right up. Hopefully this works as easy as I'm hoping. I think I'll just have to show you when I'm done it because the pounding is making my phone vibrate. So we'll get back to it. So I managed to uncover some of the core. You look at that. She's not looking too nice. I would say she's about time to be replaced because that don't look too solid. So yeah, I'll keep going. So it looks like I'm coming across some wood that's actually not as rotted. See right here. Still got some nice wood color to her, but it's just making the process of taking this core out that much more difficult, which we love, right? So back to it. All right, I know it might not be much, but look at that. Got a nice little section out. At least it's a start. The more I got towards the front of the boat, the less rotted the wood got, which I mean, makes sense, right? So I don't know honestly how far I'm gonna go up here. I might probably stop just underneath the steering wheel and not do anything further because realistically that part of the boat's not really in the water anyways. So yeah, let's now continue on. I know I should be wearing a mask. Didn't get one, so it's my mask today. Oh, wet in the glasses. All right, hopefully this comes out nice and easy. Alright guys, that's a nice little cutout section. See how this bad boy comes out. Alright, just got that last little section out right there. Pain in the ass, but you know, getting it. It's just gotta be careful. I keep stepping on this, and this is the hull of the boat. She's a little weak, don't want to go through it. I know I should probably continue removing the core, but I don't know, for some reason this little piece of fiberglass I got left from the floor got removed is bothering me, so I'm gonna work on taking that out now. Alright, well that's a lot better. Not gonna drive my OCD insane anymore. Now clean up a bit, see if I want to keep going. Alright, that's it for today. I got a portion of the core out today, as well as like some of that little extra from the floor. Honestly, I'm just tired, so I'll probably come back later this week and finish this side or do the rest, but this won't be the end of the video. I'll probably come back to some more. All right, day 2 of the video. I'm back here to work on the boat again. Let's see how much progress we get today. Also, I don't know if I can show this. Got ourselves a little friend over here, Mr. Heron. Watch us. Oh yeah. All right, so we're back in it. When I was here a couple days ago, I finished right there. Last thing I did was remove that little edge right there. Looks like I forgot my glasses in here, but I think I'll work on removing this little section. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. Got myself a mask this time. Try and save my lungs a little bit. Safety first. looks like that went pretty well actually. Looks like I'm getting hang of this. I'm gonna clean up a bit and keep on going. Alright, it's not a great job cleaning, but better than nothing. That section might have been the easiest one to cut so far. Can't imagine how rotten it is. The fiberglass was basically moving while I was cutting it. I won't record pounding it because there's no point, so yeah. Alright, so that little section that I just did, it came out so easily because the wood was so wet and just rotten that it was just coming out with my hands, so that's great. Now I'm going to focus, try and take out this little section to go into the steering wheel, because I think that's where I'm going to stop from taking up the subfloor, because there's no need to go any further, honestly. So I know that's going to be harder, so let's get to it. I'm thinking right here, maybe? I don't know, we'll see. This not rotted wood. Pretty fucking brittle though. Hopefully when I record it's so much easier. I would imagine so. But you never know. Look at that big old section taken out. It's taking me time, but I mean, I'll get there, right? I think I still gotta remove this little piece here, because I think that's got some rot in it too. I'm not sure. We'll see. Alright, now I think I'm gonna try and get this little section out here. I don't think I get in there with the angle grinder, because like I just don't have the room to do it. So I'll use the oscillating thing, whatever it's called, and I'll show you when it's done. Good today. Got all the way to the back, got all the core out on the side, all the way down to the steering wheel. Still deciding if I need to go any further. But yeah, that stuff was fucking wet and rotten, and it's time to be removed. That's it for me today on this little part. I'm sure I'll just keep on adding on to this video so that I don't have a million videos of me removing the core. So we're back day 3 of removing the core. I'm gonna try to really grind today to get as much done as I can to speed up this process. I really need to get this core in if I want to actually try and enjoy it this year. So yeah, enjoy some more clips of me removing it. Alright, so I take that back. I don't think there's any core there. I cut into it and all I see is fiberglass, so I don't want to go through the bottom of the boat. So just gonna clean up that ledge, and I think that's it. Let's get to it. Alright, so I did a lot of the cut already. Made it all the way to over there. Also cut some of the floor that was left from the past. And I'm hoping, I don't think there's any core under here. I don't think so anyways, but let's get to removing it. Looks like I'm right. There isn't any more core under there. It's just fiberglass. So that means I'm done on this side. Nice. Just got that little bit of floor left and a bit more of the lip to take out right there. But then can move on to the other side. It's cool. All right, look at that. Got all the rest of the floor out. Also, there's none of the ledge left. Here's all the floor, so this is all fiberglass now. Probably gonna go get myself a broom so I could properly clean this up. But yeah, we're flying. All right, I take that back. I am not going to get a broom. I don't feel like leaving to go get one. So I'll just pick this up by hand. Be good enough. I'm done with this side. I think I know I have to take out this part here, but I'm gonna focus on this side, so I'm gonna work on getting the old floor out, and then I'll work on the subcore. Let's get to it. All right, check that out. No more of the floors left. Going all the way back here. It's all gone. So now I'll start working on, I think you can see this little lip on the, oh, actually no, there's a little lip here. This is where the core is. No core, so we're gonna take that out. So look at that, got a nice little check section cut out already. It was nice to do that all in one shot instead of like a million shots. I'm gonna take a little quick break before I start pounding away with the chisel and the hammer. Yeah. All right, really hope this stuff comes out super easily. Oh my God. Talk about easy. Look at that, not you, baby. As you can see, I think this was more rotten on the other side. But I think I have an adapter for that thing to make my life easier. Let's go see. So I had one of these adapters for this thing. I don't know what it's used for, but let's see if it'll help me take the wood off. Promising we're getting ahead of the game, or ahead of the game, I don't know, going fast. Yeah, well. Alright, so a little update. Got this all taken out. Still got like 60% more to go. That little adapter that I put on the other tool didn't help at all. A lot better to just use like the chisel and the hammer there. So I'll cut out another section and get back to it. Alright, I said I cut that pretty quick. Next thing you'll see, this whole section will be gone. All right, so look at that. Got it all out. It was so rotten that it took me no time, so I might as well finish that last little bit that you see right there in the middle. I'll probably call it a day. So let's get back to it. Should I get myself another bag because this one is full and heavy. Yeah. All right, just cut out a nice little section again. Time to pound this stuff out. Probably come out pretty quick because further you get back, the more rotten it is, and then be pretty close to finish with this core. Let's go. So that was extremely easy. There's basically no core left because it was so rotten. I'm gonna focus on getting rid of this little last section right here, that little piece of stringer, and call it a day. I think today was a pretty productive day. Managed to finish this side as well as do this entire side, which is pretty awesome. Obviously all I got left is the this little piece right here. I gotta take that out because obviously that has a bunch of core underneath and the stringers are still in there all rotted. But I got all the way to the back, got that little piece out, and yes, we're getting there. All right, I think that's it for this video. I would say I got most of the core out. So honestly, my next video might just be getting the bottom part out. We'll see, but thanks for watching and see what happens next.